Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Management System course. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to use the template and modify it so it works for you. We're going to work with Notion, which is an application that provides components such as database, Kanban boards, wikis, calendars, reminders, and pretty much anything that you can imagine, and we're gonna use it and modify it and create your own system for knowledge management. This can also be used for note taking, for data management. You can manage projects and you can do a lot of things. Once you understand how to use all the components in Notion, you'll see that the possibilities are infinite. What is a second brain and why we need a second brain? Well, a second brain is a place where we can gather all of our notes and the knowledge that we consume every day so we don't forget about it. This is a very common problem for entrepreneurs and everyone, and I know it was a problem for me in the past. With this template, you're going to be able to recall books that you've read, gather important ideas about videos that you've watched, gather important ideas about articles, and most importantly, you're going to be able to link these things together and link them to your current projects, to your areas of interest, and to everything that's going on in your life. During the 20th century, there was a guy in Germany called Niklas Luhmann. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but basically he was a very, very prolific sociologist. He published around, I think, more than 60 books in his lifetime and many research papers. How did he do this? Well, he basically had a system. He had a system that he called a Zettelkasten, that's German for slipbox. By gathering notes and ideas from the things that he was learning about every day, he managed to create a big system that was interconnected and that would work as a knowledge management system when he needed it in the future. What we're trying to do is not exactly what Niklas Luhmann did, but we're trying to do a mix of project management with this same idea of gathering knowledge and trying to make it interconnect so we can build content. The KMS template follows the PARA method, that's PARA, that means projects, areas, resources, and archives, but it also has a couple more things. I actually added to this template the My Hub page, which is kind of like a dashboard that makes it easier to interact with all of the components of the knowledge management system. I also added a routine tracker, which is very important for me. I think systems are essential for success and for achieving goals. One of the most important things that you can actually track is your routine. If you want to create habits, a routine tracker is fundamental. I also have personal pages where we can store things like passwords, where we can store things like our journals or anything that you need to store within your knowledge management system. I also added another dashboard which is called the second brain that helps us understand and interact with our resources in a better way. And last but not least, I added an action zone. This is in the My Hub page and it works as a tool so you can actually be more organized and more deliberate every day, every week. You're gonna be able to set weekly goals, daily goals, and you're gonna be able to set themes for each week. This way you're gonna be able to maximize your productivity and you're gonna get closer to your goals every day with deliberate actions. So the first class, we're gonna see a more detailed view of the knowledge management system, and then we're gonna dive into each one of the pages and the categories that we have so you can understand how to use it, how to modify it, and how to work with it. See you in the next class.